Hello guys. So for those people who have been talking to about hot mining, in case you are not yet a member of hot mining, so should I say here is one of your opportunity, but not your last opportunity to actually get into the hot ecosystem. Like aside the mining, they have you can bridge from Ethereum to near from like hot is creating a system where you can bridge from Ethereum to Tone, from Solana to other chains. Or if you go through here, there are different varieties. You can see the right here. So where you can bridge from, you can see you can bridge to near Solana base, hot, BNB, Tone. So source, then destination. So and there will be more and more chain will be added with time. So and like I said before, mining is still ongoing. Mining is still ongoing. So in case you having a doubt that probably um is hot not one of those scam mining projects on Telegram, here is your proof. Over here, can you see this Hito? This is a cold wallet where you can store your crypto, right? So I ordered mine, so I've gotten it. So if a Telegram project can afford to get into a technology like this, a cold wallet, you can see over here, you can see, and right at the back here, you can see the hold wallet by Hito. This is the hot sign. That's the hot logo. Let me take you back. So this is our logo here for hot. This is our logo for hot. You can see the logo right here. So this is the hold wallet by Hito, and this special edition. Only 5,000 copies were made, and it was sold out. So mine just came like 2 days ago. So in case you are still wondering if they are scam or not, so this should be your proof. So the this is the hard wallet. So unlike your normal traditional hard wallet that you used to know, this is quite different from the ones you used to know. So let me swipe over here. Then it asks me to put my pin. So let me just take it off a little bit to put the pin. Voila! What can you see right here? What can you see right here? This is hot. This is hot. Can you see it? So if you can see, I think the screen might be too bright. Let me try to reduce it a bit. So this is it. Hot. So you can send and receive. All right. So in case, like I said, in case you are still thinking this project is a scam project, this is your evidence to prove to you that. And in case you are still wondering what we still have here in the other part of the box, like the technology is quite mad. Honestly, it's mad. It's crazy. So, all right, these are stickers for free. So these are to charge it. So it's a very mobile device, like a mobile hardware which you can take everywhere you go. So and you don't need like the normal traditional one that you need USB to plug to it. You don't need USB to plug to it because if I turn it around like this, there's no way to plug to it. So how do you connect to it? You can use NFC or through Bluetooth. That's where you can connect. And if you want to charge it, these are how to charge it. You see this thing over here. So you plug your cable to it, then you plug this one to the source as to power, then you drop it here, drop it on the floor, then you drop it on it. It's magnetic, you can see. Drop it on it, then start charging. So that's and mind you, this thing has been on for like 2 to 3 days. I believe it has been like this since it was exported from the company, and you can see the battery life is still full to this very day. All right, so it means longer battery life, durability is safe. So in case you are still playing and you are yet to mine hot, please and please Don't miss this opportunity. Hot is going to be mad. All right. So I might decide to create a fire drop, and if you see this video as a fire drop, so just know that the password or the code for the fire drop should be subscribe. The code should be subscribe. So watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like and share, and you can see my other videos on if you want to hot videos, you want to see how to migrate your hots and to increase your mining speed. So I have a lot of videos right here on my YouTube channel, so you can go through it yourself. All right, so see you on my next video. I remain Young Chief. All right.